a short video showing on-host integration for JMX monitoring. On-host integration requires a machine that has New Relic infrastructure monitoring. If you choose Add More Data in JMX, you will be forwarded to the New Relic documentation. As always, for the most updated information, please refer to the documentation. In our case, we'll choose a very simple use case, installation on an Ubuntu machine. We run the update, and then install the New Relic JMX integration. Change directory to the integrations directory, and copy the example files. Edit the JMX config file. In our case, we're using a very simple example on a local machine, no user or password, but we are going to replace the example Tomcat file with Kafka metrics file, as we are running a local Kafka instance. And save the file. We use JMX term to connect and look at the JMX tree. We can look at domains, switch domain, look at beans, get information, and get metric information. We can now create our Kafka metrics YAML file, choose our domain, give the event type a name, choose the query for the beans and the attributes we want to see. This is just an example. There are many other domains and beans we can get. We can save the file and restart the infrastructure agent. We can now switch back to the New Relic UI, and under Infrastructure, Third-Party Services, we can see a JMX dashboard with the JVM information. We can go to Query Your Data, look for the Kafka JMX sample event, choose a metric, and we can also choose different dimensions, and build your own dashboards. I hope you find this video useful. Thank you very much for your time.